Hi everyone, so I'm back today to do a little video. This is a design team project for ARTYmaze. Please excuse my voice, it's just going. Anyway, this is using her tag Galore or Galore tag kits. I'll link it below. So there is tons and tons of tags to play with. And I've just pulled a few out. I'm gonna try and do 3 or 4 on camera. So I've backed these ones already. Got some file folders, so I used that on them too, the green one. And then on this it was like a obviously craft coloured file folder, so I backed them, so they're nice and sturdy. Haven't backed them because I don't want my tags to be too bulky. These are just printed out on can't remember what size paper, 120 GSM possibly. I have got little bits and bobs. Got some tickets here from ARTYmaze. These are, I don't know where they're from. These are fussy cut little people. We have got words and labels and things here, and I may pull some other bits and bobs out. That's just what I've just pulled out to hand right now. So I'm gonna start, and what am I gonna do? What I'll do is I'll do one of them and one of these, okay? And I don't know what am I going to use. I think I'll use these bingo cards on them like so. Now there is absolutely tons and tons of these tags. Let me have a quick look actually. There's 21 pages of the large tags, and then you get them in a smaller, let me see, because I've still got it up right now, and then you get 12 pages of the smaller ones, but you get like 6 to a page, whereas these big ones you get 3 to a page. But I will, like I said, I will link them below. So I'm just gonna kind of lay things out just to see. That's what I do. It's what I do. Should I put that there? They're actually Tracie Fox little labels. We got that one. Shall we do it that way? Shall we? So I hope everyone is well. I don't want to tuck all that underneath because I like that writing. I don't know what language it's in or what it says, but I like it. Right, I think I'll use the little fellas on here. Let's see. So this is just my thought process. Yeah, I think we'll do that. And then we'll grab a little label. These are ARTYmaze as well. We can put that little label there. And then we can, I've cut out some of these words. These are ARTYmaze as well. And we can have a word down here somewhere. Or even there. Maybe it'd look better on here. No, there. And then this one here. I've already put that little label behind there. And we'll use the other little guy here. He is cute. We will have a reflection, I think. He looks like he's thinking. And then we'll have a label there. I've got to think about a tab. Tabs for the top, but I'm not going to worry about that this second. So I'm going to glue all that down and I'll be back. So I have glued all that down, and I'm going to use some of this like Hessian. Where's my scissors? I don't know. There they are. To just for my tabs. So I'm just gonna, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue them in place and let that dry before I go around and stitch. I don't know what that is. It's glue, gluey glue. Probably have to stencil on the back of that. So that's what I do when I when I'm using tabs like that, I might need some of these little things just to hold it in place till it dries, which really isn't going to work, is it? Yeah. So I'll set that to one side for it to dry, and we'll do the same with this one. I'm going to need some more of these. Sorry about my stuffiness. Do you know, everywhere I look at the moment, everybody's had this virus, whatever it is. It's not COVID. Had it, got it, or damn sure they're gonna get it. It's just like, you know, it's leaving it's not letting anyone get away with it. There we go. So I'll just leave that to set, and I'm going to do the other two journals, the other two tags. Got journals on the brain. All right. So these are lovely on their own as well. I mean, you really don't need to cover them over. I kind of wish now that I had done these for the back and these smaller, because they all come in both sizes. But I printed it, so I was gonna do it. So we've got tickets. Might have to find these tickets. Are from ARTYmaze. They're called tickets for collaging, I think. Mummy thinks that's what they're called. And we've got these little pretty girls here. And I'm thinking maybe like a little bit of floral sticking out, just for some added interest. Maybe a butterfly or two, who knows. These little things here, like this, I haven't finished it yet, but it's clay, and I embossed, I don't know what I used to emboss that, and I started painting it black, and I haven't finished it. Started this way before Christmas, but I was tidying up and I found it, and I thought I'm just going to set it and put my little knickknacks on there. So that's what that is. I'm enjoying doing the clay things at the moment as well. That's my little me thing at the moment, is the clay. Oh, we got them, the air dry clay. I've made quite a few things actually. I've got a couple of bits here. They're my little resin butterflies. Oh, I could put them on there. But I was making these little hearts with some bits of fern from my trees. Right, I'm getting sidetracked now. I'm going to set that there as well, because that's another little thing that I made. Anyway, these butterflies. Oh, I like them because they're so shiny. And I use that resin to do it, which I've got a little bit of resin on my fingers now because I clearly didn't wipe that properly. So let me wipe that, because that stuff's not good. And when I use it, I mean, it's only small pieces that I use, but I wear a mask, not the correct mask, but my window is fully opened, and I do it and I actually leave the room whilst it's drying in the UV light thing. Anyway, right, back to this. Let's see what we're doing here. So I'm just going to do my little layout, and then I'll glue it all down like I did the last two. I can put that down there, and that there. And I do want them butterflies now, because look how sweet they are. These butterflies are from ARTYmaze. They're a freebie. If you don't have resin, you could use glossy accents, or what's that other stuff? Crackle accents, to get that nice shiny, or emboss it, heat embossing. Haven't done that in a while actually. So I think that's what I'm going to do with that. So let me glue all that down and I'll come back. So there we go. That is them all done. I think they turned out great. They are going into the latest journal that I'm working on. You might actually see the journal before you see the tags. I'm trying to get 3 craft with me videos out in a week now because I've really slacked over the last couple of years. And I do, you know, it's generally because of noise, and I just get carried away with myself and think I should have really turned the camera on. There's a lot of noise goes on around this area, and in my garden with my dogs, and oh, they just bark. One of them barks at everything. But anyway, that's my aim of the game, 3 videos a week. I'm going to try doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and they're like with craft with me's, but there could be more, but that's my minimum that I'm aiming to do. So yeah, these are tags from ARTYmaze. A lot of the embellishments were ARTYmaze as well. So I will link the kit, the new tag Galore kit below, but ARTYmaze is also links below to her Etsy. Go over, take a peek what she has in her shop, and yeah, I'm sure you will find something. So anyway, any questions, just ask, and thank you so much for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye.